I'm going to show you how to use AI to proofread your articles so you get much better articles, higher quality articles. If you're new here, hello, my name is Bruce. I'm an expert at search engine optimization, helping companies get more sales and customers by having their websites show up at the top of Google searches. I've helped small, medium, and large businesses. I've helped local businesses, nationwide businesses, e-com businesses, affiliate businesses. All of them get more traffic using SEO. I make these videos because I love this stuff. Hopefully you'll learn something. Let's get into the video. Oh, and if you would like to have me do a video style call like Zoom or whatever with you, look at your business, figure out how to get you more traffic and sales with your website using search engines, you can schedule a call with me here on Clarity. I will leave a link below. Okay, so the tool that I use to create my articles is auto blogging. It can do all different types of articles, and today I'm going to show you how to use the AI proofreader feature, which I have not been using. I just started using it, and now that I've done it, I'm going to just be using it from here on out because much better articles. I feel ridiculous that I haven't been using this feature because I was just too lazy to learn it. Like when I've been using this tool for years and they keep adding stuff and I'm just being lazy and stuck in my ways and I didn't want to learn this tool. And now that I've done it, it's so simple and it makes the articles way better. I'm going to show you. So there's a bunch of different ways you can make articles. Even when I'm doing a single article, I just go down to bulk generate just because I'm on this page so much. I just know how it works. So I've got two examples here, and the article title I used, Local SEO Strategies for Service-Based Businesses, right? So you would just, it doesn't matter whatever your article title is, you would just go and drop it in here. For this, I always put the website I'm sending it to. You don't have to put a project name. I do in case something goes wrong, especially if you're doing batches of like 20, 30, 40, 50 articles. As you can see, you can do batches of 500 at a time. And then like if something went wrong for whatever reason, there's a glitch, you know, it's AI, things happen. I would want to know a little bit more about this because if you don't add something here, it's going to just add random letters and numbers. And so you can get credits back if things get messed up. I don't know. I always just put the website name. That's what I do. You can do whatever you want. You can do all different types of stuff here. I usually, for these articles I just did, I didn't mess with any of these. I left them as is. I always do intense optimized articles for no other reason. I don't even know what it does. It's just like, do I want to intensely optimize my articles? I know that sounds silly, but I'm always like, yeah, I do. So I always select it. I don't even know what the articles look like without it. You could run a test like I'm about to show you if you want to find out. But I always select that. I always select automatic SERP analysis that like reads the top 10 and helps to make the top 10 search results and helps to make a better article. Okay, so this is a feature that I've been ignoring for a long time, and I need to stop doing that. Well, I'm going to now that I've used it. It's actually really easy. So that's what I selected. So I did two articles here, right? So I'm going to get into it, but I did two articles, the exact same title, one with the AI proofreading selected and one without, and I'll show you the difference. And then I select auto post to WordPress. Here, if you were doing like, you know, best running shoes and you were an affiliate for like this, like Adidas or whatever, and they had a certain running shoe, you would say, hey, these are the best running shoes, but make this Adidas running shoe the number one, something like that. Or you can give more information about how you want the article written here. I always select outline inspired from the competition. Add key takeaways. You know, that sometimes these are things where it's like I mix them up. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. You can decide what you want to do. I think for these articles on both of them, I did use it because I wanted to the articles to be basically the same, except one with AI proofreading and one without. So let's just say that I did select it. Now, when you do select the AI proofreading option, you do need to give it how you want the article to be proofread. So over here, I've got these instructions. Fix HTML formatting, check for spelling errors, use short paragraphs, maximum 2 sentences per paragraph, everyday language, avoid jargon, avoid using additionally, moreover, further, consequently, rewrite. Oops, looks like I need a proofreader there. Rewrite sentences to make them more direct. So I got this off of the auto blogging YouTube. Like they've got a ton of videos on like how to use the tool. And I got this from one of these videos. So anyway, so I take this, I copy, paste into here, right? And then I select my WordPress site. I'm not going into this because it'll show you my sites. I got a bunch of sites in here. So I can show you my agency site because I don't try to rank it. I don't try and build traffic to it. I just use it basically as an electronic calling card, or not calling card, business card in a contact form. I don't try and do any SEO wizardry or anything on. So, and for this particular example, since I did the exact same, I wanted to do like a relevant article, right? I wasn't going to put something like, these are the best surfboards for beginners on my site, right? So I did SEO local SEO strategies for service-based businesses. As you can see, this is a -2. This is a dash. This is no dash. And I made this one no index, and this one is actually live and can't be indexed. Okay, so the one I put no index is the one that I didn't use the AI proofreading. So look at this article, right? I'll try and go slow. I did do the key takeaways. I bet you I did it on both of them. Yeah, I did because I wanted it to be the same. Okay, so look at these key takeaways. Look at like the headings. Look at the way the paragraphs look. Optimizing your so the article is local SEO strategies for service-based businesses. Understanding local SEO. Service. I don't like saying it over and over. I don't like saying the keyword over and over. It looks pretty solid. I was surprised that it had this map embed. Enhancing photos, posts. And then it gives us some stuff here. So, and managing reviews and reputation, measuring and tracking local SEO success. Now let's see, I've got the editors open. So this is the non-proofread one. So this is -2. This was 2,145 words. That's the word count. Okay, so that's the first article, right? You can see it says -2 because they have the exact same name. I think I did all the settings the same except for the AI proofreader. Now this is the one with the AI proofreading, and this is the one that is published on the web. Well, they're both published on the website. This is no index because I don't want Google to see two of the exact same article and wonder what. Anyway, this one can be indexed and found, and this one I'm telling Google don't index this one because I don't really care about ranking for this. This is just so I can demonstrate how this AI proofreader works. And as you can see, it kind of does some bullet points under the bullet points, right? And then you can see, like, look, which one of these is easier to read, right? This one's got way more spaces. It's just going to be easier to read this article. And then it had an embed. The embed was actually messed up. So I went and got another embed. This Brown Brothers Plumbing, just some random business. Because the embed didn't work on this one for some reason. Update photos. But you see how there's like more spaces if I bothered to spend the time to like read this stuff, let's look at this like table looking thing. How does it compare to this table looking thing? That one. I feel like this one's just harder to read. But they're not. Both these tables aren't great. NAP consistency. It's not exactly the same article, but it is exactly the same title. So they're going to be very similar articles. But this one just has more spacing. It's easier to read, more like numbers and bullet points and things like that. Nice little table here. I feel like this should probably look more like this one. But anyway, so that's what it is. It costs to do the AI proofreading 1 credit. That's nothing. I think it's a better article. I will be using that going forward. And what I'll do is this is a file I have, I just copy paste it. If you wanted to add to it, I'm sure you could like spend time and figure out a better one. But it's just a way to get higher quality articles, less fluff, more spacing, easier to read. I do like it. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you thought this was terrible, please give me a thumbs down so I can learn how to do this better. If you have any questions on this, leave them below and I will answer you. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.